With all of the tinkering and tweaking of beer recipes, how do you know when a recipe is done?
Well, Crunchy Hippie is a good example. That is a beer that was developed within this building. And as Keith said, we call it a granola brown ale. It has oats in it, wheat, honey, sunflower seed, flax seed, chia seeds, hemp seeds. And then we also, we didn't think it had the right flavor when we first brewed it. So we added some mixed berries to it. And that was okay, but then now we're using it with cherries. What we think the cherries do, it just adds a nice depth to it. You can't really pick the cherries out, but it just gives it a sweetness that's a little bit different than a malt sweetness. So that's one that we tweaked. Now we got that one dialed in. And some of our other recipes, we just had to change things because we had, say, 21 pounds of something, which is malt comes in 50-pound bags, so we bumped that up to 25, so we're using a half a bag, so we don't got a whole bunch of fractions of bags around. You know, those kind of tweaks. But some of our recipes, like New Sincerity, our West Coast IPA, that one we haven't really messed with. That one was good almost from day one, the way we wanted it.